Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best floor jack for lifted Jeep. Number 1. Powerbuilt Transmissions. Experience unmatched versatility and performance with this innovative lifting solution, designed to replace multiple jacks in your garage. Whether you're working on cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, lawnmowers, snowmobiles, or even transmissions, this jack adapts seamlessly to a wide range of vehicle types and maintenance tasks. The patented triple lift design features both a removable lift saddle and padded lift rails, offering the flexibility needed for various vehicle frames. With a wide lifting range from 5.5 inches, with the round saddle removed, to 17.5 inches, with it installed, it easily handles low-profile vehicles and larger equipment alike. Engineered for stability and security, its broad wheelbase provides superior balance compared to traditional floor jacks. Built-in tie-down loops allow for added safety when paired with standard tie-downs. Eliminate the need for separate jack stands with the integrated locking safety bar that secures the jack in place once raised. With a robust lifting capacity of 4,000 pounds, it has been rigorously tested and certified to meet or exceed ASME, PLD, and ANSI standards, ensuring strength and long-lasting durability. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is your go-to choice for safe, efficient lifting. Number 2. Nilight Lifting. Tackle a wide range of lifting tasks with ease, thanks to this heavy-duty floor jack designed to deliver strength, speed, and safety. With an impressive 3-ton, 6,600 pounds load capacity, it provides the power needed for vehicle maintenance on everything from family cars and trucks to off-road vehicles and travel trailers. Its wide lifting range, from a low 2.95 inches to a maximum height of 19.88 inches, makes it ideal for both low-clearance and taller vehicles. Engineered for efficiency, the dual-pump pistons allow for rapid lifting, significantly reducing the time it takes to reach the desired height compared to single-pump jacks. A built-in safety valve adds a layer of protection by preventing overloading, while the large saddle surface ensures stable contact with the vehicle, enhancing overall safety during use. Built from durable heavy-duty steel, this jack is constructed to withstand the demands of frequent use. Large steel casters and 360-degree swivel wheels offer smooth mobility and easy positioning, even in tight garage spaces. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a hands-on DIYer, this tool offers reliable performance, smooth operation, and robust construction to handle tough lifting jobs with confidence. Number 3. LARBANKE Durable. Designed for strength, versatility, and ease of use, this low-profile floor jack is the perfect addition to any garage or workshop. With a powerful 3-ton, 6,600 pounds lifting capacity, it handles a wide range of vehicles, from sedans to SUVs, making it ideal for tire changes, routine maintenance, or emergency roadside repairs. Its solid construction ensures safe, stable operation, giving you the confidence to lift with ease. The lifting range spans from 5.31 inch to 18.11. Accommodating both low clearance and higher vehicles. An extra-long saddle streamlines the lifting process for taller vehicles, while the ergonomically designed handle offers excellent leverage and control. Mobility is smooth and effortless thanks to 2 large steel casters and 2 360-degree swivel casters, allowing for precise positioning even in tight spaces. Crafted from high-quality steel and durable carbon components, this jack delivers long-lasting durability without unnecessary weight, making it easy to maneuver and store. Built for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, its reliable design supports frequent use across a wide range of applications. Whether you're working in your home garage or on the go, this floor jack delivers dependable lifting performance wherever it's needed. Number 4. AV Steel Hydraulic. Built to handle tough lifting tasks with ease, this high-performance floor jack offers a 3-ton, 6,600 pounds capacity, making it ideal for most cars, trucks, and SUVs. With a lifting range from 5.5 inches to 18.5 inches, it covers the height requirements for a wide variety of vehicles, making it a versatile tool for both everyday maintenance and heavy-duty garage work. Whether you're changing a tire, performing regular upkeep, or tackling more extensive repairs, this jack is up to the task. Engineered with safety in mind, it features built-in overload protection to prevent damage or injury from lifting beyond capacity. The 360 degrees rotatable saddle enhances contact with your vehicle, ensuring a stable and secure lift every time. Its heavy-duty steel construction guarantees long-lasting durability, while smooth rolling wheels, including 2 universal 360-degree swivel casters, provide effortless mobility and precise maneuvering. Meeting ANSI/ASME PASE safety standards, this jack combines industrial-grade strength with dependable performance. Its user-friendly design is perfect for both professional mechanics and DIY car enthusiasts. Compact, powerful, and reliable, it's an essential tool that brings convenience and confidence to any maintenance setup, whether at home or in the shop. Number 5. AGM-products.com included. Engineered for safety, convenience, and portability, this innovative jack support tool redefines how you secure your vehicle during maintenance. Weighing just 3.5 pounds, it collapses to a compact 8 inches and extends up to 14 inches, offering a lightweight yet robust solution for keeping your floor jack locked in place. With an impressive load capacity of up to 3.5 tons, it's compatible with most floor jacks and ideal for use with a wide range of vehicles. Designed with user safety in mind, it features a simple lever mechanism that extends and locks into place effortlessly. Even in the event of a floor jack seal failure, this tool continues to hold your jack securely, giving you peace of mind while working underneath your vehicle. It eliminates the hassle of traditional jack stands and saves time by streamlining the setup process. Perfect for the garage, the racetrack, or roadside emergencies, its compact size allows for easy storage in a toolbox, glove box, or mounted directly on your jack using the compatible mount. Backed by patented technology, patent number 11,505,440. This tool combines innovation and reliability, making it an essential companion for any mechanic or DIY enthusiast. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.